It's so good.
Alright, good afternoon YouTube. This is Sal's Garage. Today we're going to be installing a tire pressure monitoring system from Tymate. I bought this on Amazon for around $30. And the reason why we're doing this is because the tire pressure monitoring system is not working on my car right now, and this is the cheapest solution. This is what comes in the box. 4 valve stems. I have one out already. Looks like some nuts, a spanner wrench, a mount, charger, and the screen itself right over here. So let's go over installing this. Should take only about 5 minutes. So we got this little rubbery dust boot. We'll put this on first to kind of protect our sensor. So now that's on. Take your nut, thread it in all the way. Get your wrench in position and turn the nut counterclockwise while you turn the sensor clockwise to tighten it. Okay, that should be nice and secure. This is what it looks like. It's a little chunky for my liking, but we'll see how it works. Alright, so we need to check for any leaks. So I'm going to spray some soapy water on the actual sensor and see what happens. So you can see right there, we got a little leak because we got some bubbles blowing out there. So I need to fix that. So I re-tightened the nut in the back all the way to the right, and then I tighten the sensor also more so to the right. See what happens. Alright, so we got no more leaks. That's awesome. Alright, so I installed the 4 sensors. Make sure that the device is on when you install your sensors so that the device can read the first signal and there's no glitches, because I installed the sensors first and then turned on the device and it didn't really read. So turn on the device first, reinstall everything, all the sensors, and then the device will be able to read the first signal and it'll all work. So it'll be able to read each tire's PSI in real time along with temperature. It also gives me battery voltage percentage. So now I just got to figure out where I'm going to mount this. I got a few options. I can sticky tape it, put it here somewhere, put it here, I don't know. But there's various versions of this, including one that has a solar powered panel in the back to be able to charge it, so I don't have to use a wire. But I don't mind having a wire because I'm going to kind of leave this out of the way. This is the tire pressure monitor in real time while we're driving. You can see the voltage of the batteries on there. Each tire pressure's on there. I checked the tire pressure before installing it. We were at 38 psi on each side, so this one was within 1 to 3 variants. Looks like it's reading 39 on each wheel, which is just where we needed it to be at. Overall, this product is pretty good so far. The batteries on the sensors are rated for up to 2 years, and they use normal watch batteries. I forget which size what battery it uses, but yeah, we'll see how this product does in the long term. For now, this works well. I just got to figure out where to mount this tire pressure sensor system. The reason why it kind of blinks a little bit is because it's LED backlit lighting, so it tends to kind of blink or flash a little.